Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a border around text in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put a border around text. Go to the home menu, then click the text box option, then draw a text box, then write anything on this text box, then click the text box and go to the text box menu, then click the text box outline and choose any color. Now I select the red color. Click the shape format menu, then click the shape outline, choose red color outline, then again go to the shape outline option and increase the outline white. Now we can see we put it a border around text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.